Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today, we're going to be checking out the Wynn Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this hotel I wanted to bring to you guys is a treat. You have your own private entrance, which is great. Then you walk into this courtyard, which is absolutely gorgeous. It has a koi pond, and it is so relaxing, so inviting. And it just takes you away from all of the smoke, the casino noise. This is so private and so luxurious. It is the best way to check into a Las Vegas hotel. Now you're looking at the private lobby and a check-in area. Fresh flowers. I've stayed at this hotel and in the suites a number of times, and each time it is the same exact experience. It is over the top. I think it's worth everybody at least staying one night in luxury, having a good time, totally relaxing. Anyone can use the bar area, but this bar area is really nice because it's right next to the suite entry. Even in the elevator lobbies, it is just loads and loads of texture, contrast, and beautiful things to look at. This elevator has gold etching inside of the elevator doors, and it's a mirror gold etching. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna say absolutely gorgeous a lot throughout this video. Let me know, guys, if you want to see a behind the scenes vlog, and I'll share with you some of the things that we did while we were staying here in the Las Vegas Tower Suite. Now you're looking at the entry, and you are greeted with your bar area to the left, which is really nice. It has a snack area. You have your water, beverages in the refrigerator. You can make coffee. You're walking into the living room area, which is substantial. Light interior, which I love. This huge television that is on the wall. Light carpet, modern furniture. You have a work desk where you can actually work from. The drapes, lights, everything is on remote control. Later on, I'll show you guys, you can even operate all of these things, the lights, the drapery. You have a doorbell all at your fingertips next to the bed. This view is to die for. It is absolutely stunning. I usually request a strip view because Vegas comes alive at night. You have a sofa, a chair in this area, a table, and you have mirrors everywhere. I love these coffered mirror ceilings because it's a reflection of light back into the room, so you never really feel enclosed. Now this entry powder bath, it is located as soon as you walk into the suite. It's decorated lovely with two different types of wallpaper. Check out this 4-poster bed, luxurious bed. It was just amazing, and I want you guys to take a look at some of the detail that you see in this furniture, the fine furniture finish for a hotel. This is above and beyond. Enjoy the remainder of the video. Let me know your thoughts on what you guys think about this fabulous hotel. Obviously, I love it. Leave comments and let me know what you think. You would want to stay here for a night, 2 nights, maybe spend a week in this luxury hotel, but it is an experience that everyone should enjoy. Until next time, make every day a great day.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors, not your vibe. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive, let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you, I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever, don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah, cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down, this ain't my final round. Ay, drinking Annie in the corner, I don't wanna be alone. Ay, sitting looking like a loser, but I don't wanna lose ya. Come change my life just for a while, let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive, let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you, I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever, don't care about nothing else. Come change my life for the better, yeah. Stay for a while or forever. Come change my life, let's go for a ride. Outside the club, we come alive, let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you, I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever, don't care about nothing else.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.